Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you for the maximum love and the support. So, my beautiful people, today I have a quick one to share with you. What that's normally say shall never end. See, this is Progress the Analyst, and here I touchlight every touchlight able. Yeah, I bring all the latest happening to you. I keep you updated. I bring the world closer to your doorstep. This is every reason why you need to subscribe to Progress the Analyst and do us good to share our videos. Now, something happened that a lot of people, when they come across this news, they go say, it's not true, it's not true. See, you don't underestimate the relationship of Nigeria government, the federal government of Nigeria, and the Finnish authority. You remember the statement from the Finnish representative to the Nigeria government? She said, Simon Ekpa has been the one that is making we and you not to have a good relationship. Simon Ekpa caught everything. Simon Ekpa was the stumbling block. Simon Ekpa made Finland and Nigeria to become automatically, they were not enemies. He said, but thank Jehovah Almighty that Simon Ekpa is out of the way. Now, our friendship has come to stay. You did not even give it two thoughts to say there is something more to this relationship. Now, without not wasting much of your time, you see from the first audit, a message, what is happening right now. The Finland authority have succeeded to give every details of anyone they sees with Simon Ekpa, like the investigation they are doing right now. They now report to Nigeria what they have seen inside Simon Ekpa contacts. What is happening right now? I am telling you the truth. See, they now listen to some of the words that you people are saying. Exposition, yes. They brought account number out, yes. They are not paying money into Funani account, yes. They are not putting account numbers on the internet, say pay money to this account, yes. Federal government of Nigeria have seen everything. The account they are now using is Funani account. Oh, they need to change it. Oh, okay. All right. Since people said is a Islamic account, let me bring another account. They brought another one. They start sharing, calling names of people, doing this, saying this. This one do like this one do like that. This is the account they are using. These are the people. We are this, we are that. All those things you people have been saying on the internet. You don't know that the federal government of Nigeria did not know they get here. Do you think you are passing message to cabinet member, or do you think you are passing message to only the Biafra people? All this message you people are passing out, you are passing it all over the world. There is no secret anymore. Oh, na sell on yourself. That is just the basic truth. I know say they go start now to say, Progress the Analyst, why are you saying this? Argue with your keyboard. Oh, na own too much. How did this thing come into existence? How the federal government of Nigeria decide to say they are going to freeze account of Biafran people. Now, innocent people will also be included. Later on, I go to start to the shout, look at what is happening here. Look at what is happening here. And you people are the cause of the problem. Not be everybody. Some. Oh my goodness. In fact, today, I'm really angry. Yes, I'm not happy. Now, hear the news in details. Nigeria government freeze bank account of Simon Ekpa, 16 others for alleged terror financing. Now, this is coming to you March 6, 2025, and we are hearing it from Sahara reporters and other media houses. The Nigeria government has freezed the bank account of Simon Ekpa and 16 others after designating that as terror financiers following a decision by the Nigeria Sanctions Committee on Thursday. The committee, which met in Abuja, recommended the individual and entity for inclusion on the Nigeria sanction list in line with Section 54 of the Terror. According to government documents, the Attorney General of the Federation, with the approval of the President, authorized that designation mandating financial institutions to immediately identify and freeze all other funds, assets, and economic resources without prior notice. The directive extended to all banks' accounts linked to the designated individual, including signatories and directors of entities under the sanctions. for designated entity. This should include account link to their signatories and directors to ensure comprehensive enforcement of the sanction remained, the government stated. Among those listed is Simon Ekpa Ojoko, whose account was Trust Bank. Then they started to list the names of the people. They are 16 in number. In fact, all these people they listed here, all these names, I don't need to put these names here and their account number. As I'm talking to you, some of them have been heard. Some of them, their bank account, anything that linked to them, if they have any property in Nigeria, they freeze all, they seize all, they take everything from them. If they have houses, the house is going to be to government property henceforth. Anything they have, business, whatsoever. Now, come to think of it, the big question is, how is it possible that the federal government of Nigeria was able to detect these people, that they are supporting Simon Ekpa, or they are trying to finance the cause of this Biafra agitation? Have you asked yourself that question? How? If what you heard is true, how? Because of cho. Cho is too much. Cho. Then the second aspect is, don't you think that all this one we are saying, hey, they will release Simon Ekpa tomorrow, small time next tomorrow, small time next week, small time very soon. See, these people, they enter details. They enter Simon Ekpa, like they enter details. They ask him questions. They collect his phone. They are in charge of a lot of things that is going on right now. They have succeeded in asking him questions. How come? Do you remember the question that they thrown at him? Who they finance this cause? Who is giving you money? How are you having money to do all these things you are doing? And he said, it's the Biafran people that are financing this. Did you forget that interview? So it is possible that all these things are happening because they don't really collect the phone, enter everywhere, see everything. You understand what I'm saying? Now, the big question is, the bank account that they are using before, that is the account they used before, that is the same thing right now that they are also paying all this money into. They haven't freezed them, okay? Now, these are accounts that are from Nigeria. The big question is, who is in Nigeria that is paying this money? Or how come all of a sudden, this is one of its kind, this is first time that something like this happened, that we have heard about something like this, that they start freezing people's accounts in Nigeria. Is it that all this money they use for fundraising, is it Nigeria accounts they are paying the money direct, or there is a way they are sharing this money and all that? All these things, they are questions that they need to ask. Now, all of a suddenly, things are not coming out that they gave Caterpillar 50 million naira and Caterpillar is nowhere to be found. Is it true? That is allegedly. We have not gotten the final result if it's true or not. Okay, so now some people are not saying because some time ago they posted or they paste the names and the bank account of some people from Nigeria that they should pay money inside. All these things, Biafran people, cho is too much. The enemy of your enemy is the enemy inside your household. Yes, if you look around, you go see, say, na still Biafran people, they are still the ones exposing all these things. That is just the basic truth. If it did not pass through Simon Ekpa, as I earlier said, that they tried to control his phones, then how come this thing is leaking out? Why? Because when they do all this exposition, you think say na cabinet member you they talk to, or you are just talking on your group WhatsApp, something that you come out to say openly, you expose all these things openly. Una not think say the federal government of Nigeria go take action and reshuffle wherever they see the loopholes. Yes, so even among una where they there, the agent go still there. After I will come here, because they tell me say, oh, progress the analyst, you be sabo, you are working for Tinubu, you are working for Nigeria government, you are working for this. Ana una, na be the sabo they inside the sabo. Yes, I will say it. The enemy or the traitors or the people that are selling all this information out, they are still the member of the household. Why you are pointing accusing finger on one person, the remaining 5 is pointing at you. That is just the basic truth. Una need to reshuffle all these things you guys are doing. Not everything you bring out, you bring to the public to say. There should be something that is reserved. As Simon Ekpa David they post things rich, there are some things you don't come on here to say. Never. But now because say there is no secret. If you talk, these people will come and tell you, oh, we don't need to hide anything. We are tired of hiding. When innocent people now, they for their hand, what will you now say? Yes, so when innocent people now are not suffering the penalty that they know nothing about, and you know that now they will be trying to control the bank account of innocent people. I am telling you the truth. Oh, these 16 people now, before you see, they will not reach 600. People need to be wise. There are some things you need to reserve. Not the way body they scratch you, they scratch. If you scratch like that, a lot of things go spoil. That is why as human, you need to reserve. There are some things you don't need to say out. There are some information you don't need to bring out. But no, we not they hide anything again. No, we are open. Okay, let's continue to be open. Yes, open. Make una see the result of this openness now. You see, 16 persons now, they don't hold them. And you know what it is? Even Mazina the Kanu, with all the church, there are still people that are saying they should not release Mazina the Kanu, that Mazina the Kanu is terror. What the same thing now? After everything, you're not going to deceive people. They have said nobody should do this, nobody should do that. You see the situation now. I just have to say my own no, because that is the reason why I am here. Person when he gets here, make it here. The reason why I am here is to touchlight on the touchlight table. I still need to stand and say the truth at all time. You see now, innocent people now this thing go call the affect. If there's any way or anything that you are doing to involve a third party that you know this thing is going to hurt people, please desist from it. So my beautiful family, I just say let me come and tell you the latest happening and update and what is going on right now. Please do well to share this video and I will keep you updated. I still remain your one and only Progress the Analyst. As I said before, I will bring the world closer to your doorstep because that is why I am here. Thank you so much and bye for now.